Do you have also knowledge about those other personalities who have been killed on the war on drugs? Like big personalities that you know about?
Yes, Mr. Chair, it was a public knowledge. It was in the newspaper like the couple na Odikta, di ba namatay po yun? Mayor Halili,
Ano
may
yung
mga
kay Mayor
mayors,
sa Calabarzon yan, Tony Halili?
Region 4A.
Yes, anong
na Halili.
alam mo sa pagkamatay ni Tony Halili?
Major Albotra, Mr. Chair.
Major
Albotra of Region 7.
Albotra
Yes,
of Region 7?
Yes po. Ano pangalan ni Albotra?
Major Albotra ng Region 7.
Lieutenant Colonel nata. Yes, pinagmalaki niya sa akin noon. Oh, talaga, sabi ko, how did you do it? So, mga kilala niya, mga kasama niya.
At sila ang nagpapatay kay Tony Halili?
He said he's